Alright, here are some air conditioners that I found at Ollie's. This is a standard breeze window air conditioner. This one is a 5,000 BTU. Cools up to 150 square feet room. It's got 2 cooling modes, 2 fan speeds, 8-way direction levers, adjustable thermostat, loss of power protection with auto restart, 5,000 BTU. It cools up to 150 square feet. Here's the front of the unit. Thermostat control up to 1 to 7, and the speeds. SB minus 05 MW. That's the model number. It fits windows 23 to 36 inches wide, minimum of 40.5 inches high. And these ones are the same. And here's the magna box portable air conditioner. A horse standard cools up to 400 square feet. Got easy cool. Ventilation system fits most vertical sliding and cascade style windows. It's got easy move. Got 4-wheel design for portability, so you can carry around with it whatever you want. And you got and intelligent features, 24-hour timer with sleep mode, with an LCD remote included, with the remote will fully function, with two AA batteries included. It also has a 1-year warranty. Any questions, you call this number. And 3-1 comfort. So it cools, dehumidifies, and fans and vents. Model number is P-09MPE. Here's the unit itself. And here's the remote for it right here. And these ones are the same.
Trying to find light bulbs so we can get some light bulbs for your room.
And here's the Toshiba portable air conditioner. It has some LED electronic control with remote control included. Easy to use controls and remote that allows you to control your comfort from anywhere in the room. Timer automatically turns the unit on off at your desired time and temperature, up to 1 to 24 hours. In sleep mode, it saves all the energy while you're keeping your comfort as you sleep. And casters for efficient, effortless room to room movement, because that's why it has wheels on the bottom. Here's the warning, camera responsible harm. And here's, I think that's the model number. I'm not sure. And it's a refurbished model, so that means you can take it apart again and fix it all up, because you know machines do well sometimes. And these ones are the same. Nothing special. And these are GE air conditioner, 5,000 BTU. It's got eco-friendly refrigerant, multiple cooling comfort settings, adjustable airflow, washable and reusable filter, and clean. It's like quick and easy install with kits included. This one is a 5,000 BTU model. And here's another one, GE appliances. This one has the same box, but it's a window air conditioner. But this one is a 6,000 BTU. So that means got more features than the 5,000 BTU. It has eco-friendly refrigerant, multiple comfort settings, adjustable airflow, washable and reusable filter, and quick and easy install with kit included for installation. With remote control included, 6,000 BTU because it also has an electronic control panel for it with the dehumidifier function. And let's see, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, please like and comment and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Any questions, please comment down below in this video. And yeah, we'll see you in my next video. Bye.